My name is Dr. Leonard Nduwayo. I am specialist in endocrinology, diabetes and nutrition, head of service, chief medical, division chief of the Department of Medicine in Geneviève de Gaulle Antonius General Hospital in Saint-Dizier, France. I am also the president of the African Institute of Training and Research, Georges-Henri Levesque. My proposal to e-learning Africa in Kigali, Rwanda is eHospital Africa, an innovative and technological service of African medical diaspora. The world's largest medical deserts are the Sub-Saharan Africa and South Asia. The World Health Organization estimates that 2 million lack health professionals with no to little hope to see the development of functional health systems. eHospital Africa is an innovative medical and technological services that will allow the African elite in diaspora to contribute to the improvement of healthcare in Africa. It is a kind of virtual hospital equipped with modern technological facilities installed in the developed nations. For example, Paris in France, Montreal and Quebec City in Canada, Miami in the United States of America, Brussels in Belgium, Kuwait City in Kuwait, and Beijing in China. Working in a collaboration with the local hospitals and health centers in Africa and other developing countries via telemedicine and e-health-based technologies. Each time a subscribed medical agent would face a complex diagnosis at his or her hospital, our specialists and technicians in digestive endoscopy, radiology, ultrasound, cardiology, diabetes, hepatitis, human immunodeficiency virus, cancerology, consultation, meeting multidisciplinary approach in communicable and non-communicable disease and other medical and surgical specialties, including robotic surgery, would immediately intervene for advice or co-diagnosis. The strength of the project underlies high performance achieved by highly qualified physicians of African origin and their Western friends that will be paid for, but at lower prices, accessible to all, since these experts will work outside of their normal occupations paid. Proposal. The African diaspora working in large university and general hospitals, public and private, in the largest biomedical research centers around the world, in the international governmental and non-governmental organizations working in the health sector, is a major asset to improve the quality of care and continuing medical and paramedical training. This gray matter that left Africa for various reasons can be mobilized to give back that they owe to Africa in general and the country in particular, this being a symbolism of patriotic duty. It is one of the challenges of the African Institute of Training and Research, Georges-Henri Levesque, Institut africain de formation et de recherche Georges-Henri Levesque in French, was given to mobilize the medical African diaspora to effectively contribute to the improvement of curative, preventive, and promotional practices even in the most remote areas on the African continent. Our project eHospital Africa would work on the following model. African Institute of Training and Research, Georges-Henri Lévesque medical and technical experts of African diaspora would be equipped with a reliable internet connection through satellites. They would be also provided with resolution screens in working room in Paris, France, Miami, in the United States of America, Brussels in Belgium, Kuwait City in Kuwait, Beijing in China, or wherever. Then, each time a subscribed medical agent from all the world, maybe mainly Africa and developing countries, would face a complex diagnosis at his or her hospital, he or she would directly consult the e-hospital expert for advice and co-diagnosis. Our project